In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a transaction on Sendwave. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to say, so support can help you as quickly as possible. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and ideally using the same device you used to send the money. Next, sign into your account. Use the credentials linked to the transfer you want to cancel so support can find the right transaction. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the home screen. This is where you usually see your balance, currency, or recent recipients. From here, look for the question mark icon, which represents help or support. On most devices, it appears near the top corner of the app. Tap the question mark icon to open the help section. You'll see options to contact support. Choose chat with us if you prefer to type your request and keep a written record. The chat is convenient because you can paste the key details they need right into the conversation. If you'd rather talk to someone directly, you can select Call Us. This is a good option if the transfer is urgent and you want real-time assistance. Availability can vary by region and hours, so if calling isn't available, stick with chat. When you're connected, clearly describe your request. Keep it short and specific. You can type something like, "Hi, I'd like to cancel a transaction I just made. Here are the details." Then provide the information they need to locate the transfer quickly: the transaction date, the amount sent, the recipient's name, and the transaction reference number if you have it. You can typically find that reference number in your recent activity or the receipt for the transfer inside the app. After you've entered everything, submit your message. Now wait for a response from the support team. Keep the app open or enable notifications so you don't miss their reply. They may ask you to confirm a few account details for security. Support will let you know if the transfer is still eligible for cancellation, which usually depends on whether it has been paid out or not. If you prefer email, you can also contact their support team using the address listed in the app or on the official website. Include the same transaction details in your message for faster assistance. That's it. Follow these steps the moment you realize you need to cancel, and you'll give support the best chance to stop the transfer in time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve your cancellation quickly.